Good morning, Namaste. My name is Dr. Pankaj Talwar and I yet again welcome you all to our YouTube channel Matritva, in which we cover your queries about infertility. Very frequently we get a query from all of you. आप हमें लिखते हैं, आप हमें फ़ोन करते हैं और बहुत लोग हमारे पास में ओपीडी में आते हैं जिनका एक कॉमन क्वेरी होता है कि मेरी ओवरी में सिस्ट है. आई हैव गॉट ए सिस्ट इन माई ओवरी, कैन आई बिकम एन मदर. आप जानना चाहते हैं कैन ओवेरियन सिस्ट लीड टू इनफर्टिलिटी. ओवेरियन सिस्ट क्या होती है, कैसे बनती है, एक ओवेरियन सिस्ट कैसे इंटरफेयर कर सकती है आपकी फर्टिलिटी में, ये सब आप जानना चाहते हैं. सो आज का हमारा सब्जेक्ट रहेगा हाउ टू बिकम प्रेग्नेंट विद एन ओवेरियन सिस्ट. मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू आस्क, ये जो ओवेरियन सिस्ट है कैन इट बिकम कैंसरस. क्या ये कैंसर होता है कि छोटी सी गांठ है जो आती जाती रहती है. ये सवाल आपके जहन में बार बार चलता रहता है और आपको परेशान करता है. आप जानना चाहते हैं इसका सही इलाज क्या होता है और इसी के बारे में आज हम आपस में वार्तालाप करेंगे. नॉर्मली हर लेडी के अंदर डे 12 टू डे 14 के बीच में एक सिस्ट बनती है जिसे हम कहते हैं फॉलिकुलर सिस्ट. जब ये सिस्ट रप्चर कर जाती है और एग रिलीज हो जाता है, when the cyst ruptures and the egg is released, then we call it as ovulation. So after ovulation, that follicular cyst becomes a corpus luteum. So what we realize is that a follicular cyst and a corpus luteum is a normal variant of a normal physiology of a woman. We become worried when a cyst which is prolonged for a long time. तो सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे cyst क्या होती है. So we realize that an ovarian cyst can be a corpus luteum or a follicular cyst, or it may be a cyst like a dermoid cyst or an endometrioma. In a young age, normally we don't get a cyst which is cancerous. So getting a small cyst in the ovary till around 4 to 5 centimeters, there is nothing to worry and it is completely treatable. इसके लिए आपको किसी भी तरह का चिंता करने का जरूरत नहीं है. All these cysts are diagnosed by doing an ultrasound. So when we carry out a transvaginal sonography, these cysts are seen in the ovary and then we follow them up. And normally all of them, they disappear within 2 to 3 months. So you need not worry about a cyst and think that it's going to become a cancer and lead to more problems. They are normally benign and they disappear by themselves. So all the cysts like a follicular cyst or a corpus luteum, maybe dermoid, maybe endometrioma, they are benign cysts. They need not cause any problem and have long-term effects, but they need follow-up. A simple cyst which comes after the period like a follicular cyst or a corpus luteum will normally disappear in some time by itself, but a dermoid or an endometrioma may persist for a long time and they may keep growing. So in case we have to give you the right advice, whenever you are being diagnosed with an endometrioma or a dermoid cyst, they may require removal in case they are of a large size or they are interfering in your fertility, but all other cysts are simple and they disappear by themselves. In case the simple cyst is persisting for more than 2 to 3 months, then yes, we have to keep you under ultrasound follow-up and look for any malignant changes, which is very, very uncommon. So how do we manage these cysts? First of all, they need ultrasound management. We cannot ignore any cyst. We have to monitor the growth of the follicle or the cyst over a period of 2 to 3 months till the time they disappear. And in case we find that the cysts are not disappearing, we can put you on some sort of suppression in terms of oral contraceptive pills. So you may be given a tablet like Mala-N or Mala-D or multiple other brands available in the market, and they will lead to suppression of the cyst and then you will become fine. In case we find that even with the hormonal treatment the cyst is not going, in that case we can carry out a small surgery for you, which can be done by the transvaginal route, by which we can put a needle inside the ovary and then aspirate that follicular cyst or any other cyst, or we can also carry out laparoscopy and remove that cyst. In short, we have to understand that the simple cysts which are found in the ovary, they are nothing but a fluid-filled cavity which will disappear in the coming 2 to 3 months. You need not worry about them. Yes, they do interfere in the fertility, but they will go off by themselves. You need not worry about them. In case you have a dermoid or an endometrioma, definitely yes, this is a cause to worry, cause to talk to your doctor and get more information. These don't disappear. They may lead to many other types of complications and they have to be treated in a different way. So today we have learned how to conceive with a cyst. I'm sure we have understood that all these simple cysts are not a reason to worry. So any one of you who are having such cysts in your ovary need not worry, and they can contact us anytime. We are available on all the platforms. You can visit our website and leave a message. We will contact you. Please share it, subscribe it with the people. I'm sure a lot of people have these problems and they'll benefit from the interaction we have had today. Thank you very much and goodbye till we meet again. Thank you.